This is a pattern that you want to learn not just for interviews, but also in your day-to-day work. Given a string of brackets, you want to know if they are valid parentheses given the following condition. Now, when it comes to this kind of problem, what's really important is the data structure that you use. But how do you even figure that out? You can walk through an example by traversing each character in the string, and when you see a closing bracket, you know that there is a pair. Notice by the time we see a closing bracket, we want to compare it with the last element and not whatever is behind it. This is called last in, first out, and the data structure for that is a stack. What do we even add to the stack? We want to add the opening brackets because that is how we can close out the bracket once we see the closing bracket. There's no point in adding closing bracket into our stack because you cannot close a closing bracket. You want to close an opening bracket. Now, there's also an aspect where you have to check if the bracket's matching. Some people like to use a hash map and some like to use if-else statements, but that's not really the main focus of this problem. This is a one-pass comparison with linear time complexity and linear space to store the stack.